In this lecture, we'll understand two of the most important concepts in CATIA Composite Design, MEOP and EOP. Every composite part is created layer by layer. Before CATIA can generate these layers, it must know where the manufacturing starts and where it ends. So these locations are defined using manufacturing edge of part and edge of part. Understanding this concept is essential because they are directly affect ply creation, flattening, and manufacturing and documentation. So in this image, you can see the blue edge is indicating the edge of part and the green area that is indicating the manufacturing edge of part. So MEOP, we can say it's a manufacturing boundary which include extra material for trimming, and EOP is the final trimmed boundary finished component of edge. Key points to be noted: MEOP is always equal to or larger than EOP. Extra material between MEOP and EOP is removed after curing and trimming process.